touching your hands is weak and top off it. No touching. No, you can't touch. Look. No, you can't touch, Poppy. No touching. Mm. Oh, look at this. Yes, we need to move the chairs a bit more. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's reflecting into on the floor. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That's pretty, isn't it? Pretty. I'm going to take this one. Wait, lift up your feet. Lift up your feet. If you on your feet is good.
Is it twinkling on the floor?
Yes, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Mama. Look at that. Appa's putting up the tree too. Appa needs help there, I think. You'll help him all right. You're going to help Appa? Oh, he's pretty excited. Look at it. It's pretty.
Wow. Is it twinkling on the floor?
Mm.
Is it all twinkly on the floor?
Don't pull. No, sweetheart. Don't pull. It's actually standby. Look at it. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Is it pretty? Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's on the floor. Oh, look at his eyes.
Wow.
Oh, you must see his face. Are you first going to see it? First put the lights on.
Huh?
Oh, you always do that.
You must always put lights on first, and you put that on.
I know you always do. Come, let's go see what Appa's doing.